with my legs. Glad we're out of all that, like, shit back there.
Where is this?
Yo, look.
Oh, no shit.
Doesn't run, though. How are we gonna get in?
Fuck, dude, I got this.
Wait, whoa. Hold up. Yeah, see?
Seriously?
Check your side. That's some shit, right?
Fuck, dude.
Alright. Do you know how to hotwire a car?
Visor.
Oh shit. God damn. This motherfucker a janitor?
Let's fucking go, dude. Let's fucking go. Come
Man,
on.
I would have never took this job if I knew I had to drive a fucking piece of shit Nissan Versa.
Fucking jalopy, look at it.
Yeah.
What are you, safety first, too?
Fucking
get the fuck out of here, dude. Come on, let's go.
Alright, calm the fuck down, man. Relax.
Granny shifting.
Relax. Jesus. It's fucking hot in here. Alright, I'm going.
Fucking joint. There it is. There it fucking is. Bad omen, man.
At least I didn't hit a deer.
Yet. Yo, you mind if I smoke in here?
No, go ahead.
Like you care.
Why are you asking it? You know.
Fuck yeah, dude! Now we're doing this shit. Let's go. Let's get paid today. Yes.
All right.
So how far to D'Angelo's?
Just a little bit more. Chill out, man. Chill out.
What's this guy like?
It's all right. You know, he was a singer back in the '90s, but you know, he needs to make a living now.
Is this the fucking place?
What's up, dude?
What's up? This asshole didn't ruin anything?
Come on, man. Hey, I told you.
Hey, come on, man. He's good. He's with me.
Fucking inside.
Let's make sure you don't fuck that.
All right, come on.
It's all fucking here, man.
What the
fuck? What is that?
What the fuck is this shit?
Dude,
Let me out! Fuck! Let me
you did not talk about a fucking dude in the trunk, man.
What? You know what, man?
Calm down.
Yo, let's just get paid. All right?
Dude,
Where's my fucking
supposed to be a
money?
fucking
I'm gonna get the fuck out of here.
There's not supposed to be a human being.
Shut the fuck
I
up!
cannot take this.
Calm down.
Where's our money at, D?
Let's just take him downstairs.
Man, you gotta get him out of here, dude.
All right, come on.
We'll take him downstairs.
Come on,
and
come
we'll
on,
lock
come
it
on.
up.
I just want to get my, come on, let's go.
Watch your head. Watch your
Okay,
head.
sit your fuck there.
Man, this is not what we
You
fucking agreed on.
You sit down. You just stop talking.
I'm not gonna fucking
You
sit
don't
down.
fuck yourself somehow.
So, yo, we need to get paid, man.
We need to take care of this.
Shut the fuck up! I've been in that fucking trunk forever. Give me some goddamn water!
I want to get paid.
You're gonna get paid. You shut the fuck up. You're gonna get paid. Everybody's gonna get paid. We're just taking care of this first. If you want water,
Yo, man, he's
I'll
seen
get
our
you
fucking
water.
face.
Yeah, man, he's
I'll show
fucking
you
seen
the
our faces.
money.
How are we gonna deal with this?
we'll take care of it. All right. I'll show you the money.
Deal with it how? Dude, we're
Just-
fucking thirsty.
I'm gonna
Get
get-
the man a goddamn cup of water.
I'll get the money. I'll show you the money. I'll get you some water so you can shut the fuck up. And we'll take care of it. All right.
Hurry up, would you? Come on. What's fucking? We gotta solve this or some shit. How we gonna? Hey, man.
Here's your fucking
All we
water.
need to worry about
About fucking time,
Water for
man.
guys.
getting paid.
How are we gonna fucking handle this, huh? Fuck, man. How are we gonna handle this? Fuck. I can't deal with this anymore.
Just take the money. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Finally.
You're next.
Just fucking cut me. go hustle.
You ready to go again?
Yep. Pop it.
No. Visor. The things.
Ready?
Alright, you know the rest. I got a job for you.